Bana? Are you ready for the body song? First we're gonna sing I have a head, I have an arm, and I have a leg. Let's go! Very good. Let's sing that one more time. Now we're gonna sing I have a hand, I have a shoulder, and I have a foot. Are you ready? Very good. Let's sing that one more time. Very good. Now we're gonna sing I have ears, I have eyes, and I have a mouth. Here we go. Now let's sing that one more time.
Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com